Welcome to Crystal Vibes. In this video, I will show you how can you make this schoolboy illustration in Adobe Illustrator. So here we are in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First of all, select this rounded rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle over here. This is fine. Now we will take selection tool and make this rectangle little bit rounder from the corners. This is looking fine. Now we will fill this color. To fill the color, make sure you off your strokes and we'll take this fill and we will fill a color. This color looks fine for me. Now we will click it and we will press Alt from the keyboard and drag a little bit to make another copy of this. This is fine. Now we will select the down one and we will have some changes in the color. Now to make the neck, we will use rectangle tool. We will draw a rectangle like this. We will take selection tool, right click it, arrange and send it to back. This is okay. Now we will have the rectangle tool again and we can change the color. This is fine. Now we will draw a rectangle like this. We can adjust as we want. Now our next step is to make ears. To make ears, we will take this ellipse tool and we will press Alt and Shift together and make a circle. Now we will take selection tool, we will press Alt and make another copy this way. By selecting all of this together, we will take shape builder tool and cut this part. Now I will select this circle and change a color. For example, we will put something like this light. Okay. Now we will take this ellipse tool again and we will draw a circle here. Now by selecting all of this, we will press Ctrl G to group everything and we will place it here. Right click it, go to arrange, then send it to back. We got one ear. Now by pressing Alt and Shift. Now next step is to make goggles. To make goggles, we will take this ellipse tool and we will draw a circle. We can obviously change the color to see the difference and we will drag it like this. So now here only I have changed the color of this. Now we will take the rectangle tool and we will draw a rectangle in this way. We will take selection tool. We can make the color a little bit lighter. This is fine. We will place it here. We can drag it a little bit. Now we will select this and this rectangle as well as this green ellipse tool. By selecting three of this, we'll go to shape builder tool and we'll cut this extra part. You can see this now. We will make the another copy, selecting all and pressing Alt. In middle, we will use this rectangle tool. So now, before placing this on face, we will press Ctrl G to group everything and now we will place it. So we are done by pressing Alt and dragging a little bit up. So we get another copy. Now this down one, we will change the color. Now to make mouth, we will have this ellipse tool again. Then take rectangle tool. Draw it in this way. Now selecting both of this, take shape builder tool and delete all this. So we got the mouth. We will place it here. By pressing Alt and Shift, we can resize it. Again, we will use the same steps to make hair of this boy. We will draw a circle. We can change the color. Suppose this is the color. Again, we will take the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle in this way. Make it a semicircle by selecting both of this, having this shape builder tool and deleting this part. Now we can place this hair like this. Now follow this step to make the hair. So in this way, we have created the cool boy illustration in Adobe Illustrator. To learn more tutorials like this, you can subscribe to Crystal Vibes. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I will be happy to answer you all.